Hi, this is me with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. Somebody asked me, and I did go a little fast this morning when I was making this because this rectangle had some problems and it kept crashing my computer. But when I did that, I changed it to 50 millimeters, and then I'm going to nudge it down, and that's because I have it set. And if you look, the node is on the outside, so the line is on the inside. If we take and double click on our pen tool, this is what I have. If I click the center, now the node is in the center and it's sticking over the edge. If I double click on the pen tool and go to the position the other way, now the node is on the inside and the entire object is on the outside of my figure where I want it. So if I would have brought this in, it's bigger than the railing because it's taking over that post. So that's why I automatically went to the inside, because I want it that shape. And then when we took this back down, well, I must have changed my nudge. Either that or I moved that around. Anyway, when I took that like that, it fit. Anyway, I hope that helped them understand a little bit. So, I mean, you can, the node, the line is on the inside of the node. And this is very important in some cases when you're trying to do something. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.